Hello, friends, smile welcome. So, we have a beautiful case to discuss. Let's see how this boy got cured. Let's look at the case. Boy of 10 years has sphenoid sinus as a result of CT and MRI scan, which are revealing the problem in the sphenoid. 3 years back, in September, he had severe headache and vomiting. After that, he feels comfortable. Next day, while coming from the school, he was confused about roads and footpath. He started misguiding his brother to some other road, and after few hours he was totally blank. Next day had blurred vision, and after that he was fine. He was taken to several hospitals except for the sinus everything was normal. Tabs of neurosurgeon made him sleep a lot but no vision problem. But they stopped as his face swelled up because of medicine. 2018 July again problems, headaches. 2019 September again problems, random headaches between forehead and eyebrows. Moves out twice at night for urinating. Toes are paining. Today morning, now everything is white for him. Both the eyes are affected. These informations I got yesterday from his mom. So this is the boy who is at problem. So now whatever you are gathering, see in Sujok, Sujok practitioner look at simple things. Although this case is like a very difficult case, but if your six key is good and your mind is open to common things, this case can be solved very easily. How? I will show you. Here you are very clear that problem is in the eyes and the sinuses. Okay, so you all know that we have one chakra here. What is that chakra? This is the chakra which is located between the eyebrows, and this chakra is the Ajna chakra, the third eye, which is between these two. And you all know that this chakra controls the front part of the face. If you look at the book of the six key, then you will come to know that uh, Professor Park Jewu in his book on six key very clearly explains about the regional diagnosis of the state of the internal chakras. So in this diagram you are able to see that these are the back, like if you have a problem in the yang ajna chakra, you will be having problem around this area, right? If the problem is in the yang ajna, the patient will be having headache here. Or if the problem is in the yang vishuddha, the problem will come here in the back of the neck. But our patient is having problem in the front of the face, right? So he is having a problem in the eyes. So what problem he is having? Now it is very clear from this diagram that the problem is in the regional means in the Ajna chakra. So now what is the problem in the Ajna? Let's go to the symptomatic diagnosis, right? Now let's apply 6 key to the Ajna chakra. You all know in that case patient was having sinus infection, so there were microbes in the sinus, which means darkness is there. Patient was having severe headaches, so coldness was there, and because of this microbial infection and severe headaches, patient uh, Ajna started having defense reactions. What were the defense reactions? Because too much of darkness and too much of coldness led to the development of the hotness started coming in the form of blurred vision, and vomitings. These were the hotness as a defense phenomena. And when this darkness became too much, patient Ajna started having showing the symptoms of brightness, that is seeing other worlds. So now you see this rectangle, the plane has become evident in the Ajna. Now, if you want to break this plane, you need to tonify four energies. Which to break this plane, what you need to do is you just uh, need to break this plane by tonifying these four energies, and this plane will break off. So just you tonify this one: heat, humidity, dryness, and the wind. So if you tonify these four, your plane will break. So we are now going to tonify these four energies. How to tonify these four energies? We go to the hand and we plot the Majna chakra in the hand. And you all know how to plot, because this is a boy, so we will choose left hand. And these are the energies which have been plotted. So how I will do the treatment is, how the treatment, best way to do the treatment is just just simply tonify wind energy by putting a dot like this one. Tonify heat energy by putting a dot like this one. Tonify humidity energy by putting a dot like this one. And tonifying dryness energy by putting a dot. So you have now tonified these four energies and the plane has been created. This plane will now break the diseased plane. So this same treatment, should the command has to be given to the solar chakra also. So same treatment we will do in the solar, and the treatment will look like this: tonifying the wind energy into the solar chakra, wind energy. This is tonification of the heat energy. This is tonification of the humidity energy, and this is tonification of the dryness energy. Same plane you have created in the solar. So command has been given, so the result will be marvelous, and this case got cured within 3 months. So joke is so simple and so beautiful. Thanks to Professor Park Javel for showing us the enlightenment. See you guys in my next case. Bye bye, take care.